Guys, I want to make our local Nigerian food. Our local Nigerian food, yam and oil. So many of us are Nigerians who relate. I love yam and oil very well. Yam and oil. Yam and oil is my go-to. It has been saving life since the 90s, if not the 80s. Safe. Yam and oil. I love it so much. Especially with onions. Just something simple. Yam, oil, pepper, onions. Guys, yeah, you can comment in the comment section if you like yam and oil. You can say yay in the comment section. I'm amongst them that like it too. I like yam and oil a lot. Before I even think of yam and egg. I like yam and egg. I think I like yam and oil more with onions. The raw onion. You don't have to fry the onion. Raw onion. I used to like it a lot. Oh no, it used to give me joy. And likewise, my son likes yam and oil. He prefers yam and oil safe to yam and egg sometimes. He used to call it yam and onions. Because I used to put onions inside the oil too. Go with it. This one, I don't used to use fork to eat it too. They used to use hand. Put my hand clean.
Now real queen where they run her brand. She dey wait with the sun, picking for hand. Camera they roll, she dey talk like grand. Relationship matter, she dey drop sense. How to manage money, she know they pretend. Cloth for machine, she dey wash with swag. Talk they flow, he know they drag. She dey budget her cash, no they lag. Her joy they spread like play with they tag. Just follow her why you go shine like star. From house to streets, even local bar. She dey real, she know they do pass. She be queen ways, I be her class. I way vibe, you dey feel I'm true. Mama know they slack, she sabi waiting to do. From market waka to how she dey plan. Now real queen where they run her brand.
Started adding liquid into the water and the sugar. I want to take it very slow. And oil
she dey talk like grand. Relationship matter, she dey drop sense. How to manage money, she know they pretend. Cloth for machine, she dey wash with swag. Talk the flow, he know they drag. She dey budget her
in here. I'll be going in with about 8 pieces of eggs. Let me do this off the corner. Get back. I forgot to let you know, please don't be like me that's cracking this egg like this directly into the bowl. Why I'm doing it because the eggs I know that they are all fresh, so that's why I'm doing it. But be very cautious because one bad egg can spoil the whole entire cake you're baking. So this, if you're doing yours, please try it out on a separate bowl so that you don't get to mix the bad one with the good one. Do a final mix because we added the last eggs into the bowl. I didn't carry you guys along when I was stirring my butter and sugar because at that point my battery was low. I had to charge it. So in here we'll have our butter, sugar, and egg. So I added in some nutmeg. I grated in some nutmeg. It's optional if you feel like you can. If you don't, for me I love it. It also serves as a preservative. I'll be going in with this evaporated.
She dey wake with the sun, picking for hand. Camera dey roll, she dey talk like grand. Relationship matter, she dey drop sense.
Usually go in with all my liquid. Before I go in my dry ingredients. So that's how I do it now. Although not all the time, but today I decided to go with
she be queen ways, I be her class. Mama know this slack, she sabi waiting to do.
tablespoon.
From market waka to how she dey plan. Now real queen with the run and brand.
So the next thing I'll be adding in here is it's called butterscotch. And butterscotch, just be going in with 1 tablespoon of butterscotch. Let that to stay. Serves as a preservative so that it also at least can help make your cake last for long. Here is my flour. In here I have milk powder, my flour and baking powder. I've added all this earlier and mixed them. Because my battery was done as I said earlier. But don't be like me, guys. Before you see, like I forgot to sieve my flour, those stuff. So now I'll be doing that here. Since I forgot to do that, so I'll be doing that but bit by bit. I'll be adding in now my flour into my batter mixture, but bit by bit. Don't add everything at once. Since I didn't sieve earlier, so I'll be doing it this way. In case of any lumps, just as you can see. Or any form of weevils from the flour, you can see. Okay, so that is why it's very important to sieve your flour before you mix it to your cake. Very important. Added this stir. Mix gradually do.
We dey feel I'm true. Mama know this slack, she sabi waiting to do. From market waka to how she dey plan. Now real queen way they run.
Don't get to crumble in baking or break or crack. I use the word crack. Have exhausted the whole flour. I don't mix in my butter. So this is what looks like. This is my butter.
She dey wake with the sun, picking for her.
Shouldn't be too thick
Camera they roll,
and it
she dey
shouldn't be
talk
too
like grand.
watery.
Relationship matter, she dey drop sense. How to manage money, she know they pretend.
So
Cloth for
now
machine,
this is
she
my
dey
baking
wash
pan.
with swag. Talk they
Transferring my
flow,
batter
he know
into the
they
pan.
drag. She
After
dey
that,
budget
then
her
go straight
cash,
into the
no they lag. I joy they spread like play with it tag. Just follow how you go shine like
another thing I
star.
would say,
From house
please
to
not forget
streets,
to
even look how bad.
not overcrowd the
She
pan.
know they do
That
pass.
is to say,
She be queen,
don't
where sabi her class.
fill it up to the limit of the cake
They feel I'm true.
will start pouring out from the pan.
Mama know
You
they
should be
slack, she sabi
level. And in
waiting
here,
to do.
I've greased my pan
From
with
market
water
to how she
and
dey
flour so
plan.
that the cake doesn't
Na
stick to
real
the pan.
queen where they run
To
her
avoid it
brand.
from getting burnt as well. So let's transfer in our batter now into the pan.
She dey wake with the sun, picking for hand. Camera they roll, she dey
Everything
talk like grand. Relationship matter, she dey drop sense. How to manage money, she know they pretend. Cloth for machine, she dey wash with swag. Talk they flow, he know they drag. She dey budget her cash, no
Another
they
thing why I would
lag.
say
Her
you should
joy
know
dey
about our
spread
pan
like
so that
play
give
with
it
the
space for the
Just
cake to
follow
rise.
her way, you go shine like star. From house
So,
to
don't
streets,
worry.
even local bar. She dey real, she know they do pass. She be queen, way sabi her class. Her way
So you
vibe,
can
we dey
see,
feel I'm
guys,
true.
this level is okay so that you can allow it to rise properly. The other ones I'll be transferring into another pan. So I'll be seeing you guys later, maybe after when the cake is ready. I'll show you the outcome. We're done finally with the cake. See the cake here. The other pan wasn't enough for it, so I had to switch for another one. So I used two pans, like I said earlier. Look at this one. And cake looks so yummy. Don't mind this thing you see me. My son is the one who did it. It's his handwork. So this is the final result of the cake we baked earlier. Let me come show you guys. So guys, we off for now. Maybe I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you have not. Really appreciate it. Wanna bye.
Mama know they slack, she sabi waiting to do. From market waka to how she dey plan. Na real queen.